Write lecture about ZTRANSFORM in digital signal processing. Hi everyone, today I am going to talk about the ZTRANSFORM, which is a very important tool in digital signal processing. The ZTRANSFORM is used for analyzing and converting signals from the time domain to the frequency domain. It is a complex transform that can be used to calculate the correlation, frequency response, and other characteristics of a signal. The ZTRANSFORM is defined for any non-constant signal by its transform equation. The input signal is first converted into the complex domain by taking the square root of its magnitude. The resulting signal is then multiplied by the complex exponential function known as the Z-transfer function. This process is repeated for different values of the time delay, which is represented by the complex number omega. The Z-transform can be used to calculate the power spectrum of a signal, which is the plot of the magnitude of the frequency component against the frequency. This is done by integrating the magnitude of the Z-transform over the angle variable omega. One of the most important applications of the Z-transform is to find the autocorrelation function of a signal. The autocorrelation function represents the correlation between a signal and itself at different lags. By applying the Z-transform to both sides of the equation, the autocorrelation function can be calculated directly. In conclusion, the Z-transform is a powerful tool in digital signal processing that allows us to analyze and process signals in the frequency domain. It is widely used in various fields, such as signal processing, communications, and physics. Understanding the concept and applying the Z-transform will help you better comprehend the mechanics of signal processing and improve the analysis and design of various systems.